Hello, I'm here today with James Barder, CEO of Futura Medical. James, welcome.
Morning.
Could you start by just telling us a bit about Futura Medical?
Sure. Futura Medical is an AIM-listed company. We've been on the market now for over 10 years. We're a small team. We only employ 7 people on a full-time basis, but we have about 30 consultants, so we describe ourselves as a virtual organisation. As a consequence, we can get some very good technical experts, but it also means we can keep our costs very low. We only burn $2.5 million a year, $2 to $2.5 million a year. So it's a very lean, mean organisation, but it's a very efficient way of running a company.
And what does 2014 hold for the company?
A very exciting year for us. We've just raised £12 million. So financially, we're in a very secure position, because obviously only burning $2.5 million a year means that we certainly have enough money to keep us going. We expect at least 2 products to launch this year. One has already launched. So for the first time, we'll be generating revenue. We don't expect to make a profit this year, but certainly that is our target for 2015.
The product that most shareholders seem to be interested in is CSD 500.
Correct.
Could you tell us a bit about what that is?
Yes. CSD 500 is basically a condom which contains an erectogenic gel into the teeth of the condom. 30% of men, when they wear a condom, don't always maintain an erection. They're healthy men. I think it's very important to stress that. But the actual use of a condom they dislike. As a consequence, they don't always get an erection or don't always maintain an erection. And as a result of that, they don't wear a condom or only wear a condom for part of intercourse. So there's a real safety issue associated with that. And by putting this erectogenic gel into the condom, which contains a well-known active called glycerol trinitrate, which is primarily used for angina. So it's applied to the chest, dilates the arteries, increases blood flow and reduces chest pain. Same analogy, applied directly to the penis, increases blood flow, maintains an erection. So we've now got this product approved, and the regulators are very reassured that this will not only give a man a firmer erection, but obviously encourage greater compliance and greater use of condoms. The product was approved last October throughout Europe, and we are licensing that to a number of different condom or major pharmaceutical companies, and we expect the product to launch in the second half of this year. Our target is 3 different continents. We haven't at this stage been specific, but things are progressing well, and so we expect that to launch later this year. I'm very excited at the opportunity and finally generating some revenue for Futura. And
you've launched a product in the US.
We have.
Tell us about that.
Another product in sexual health. Again, we have a technology called Dermasis, which drives drugs through the skin. It's a very efficient technology, and it's used in all our products. And this is used in what we call PET 500, or has recently been launched as Epic, under a Lifestyles brand. Lifestyles is, again, a strong brand in the States that actually is involved in condoms, but they also sell lubricants and other products used for sexual health. Epic is basically an enhanced sexual control for men, make them last a little longer, and that was recently launched throughout the States through one of the major retailers, but literally only the last month, so it's a little early for us to see any financial numbers coming back, but again, very excited that after many years to get us to this point, we've now got 2 products, one launched and another one launching shortly.
And any other products in your portfolio?
Yes, we have a large sort of pain relief portfolio, 3 different products, again, all using our Dermasis technology, driving more drug through the skin efficiently. Again, I think it's important to stress that Futura focuses on existing compounds. So whilst we describe ourselves as a pharmaceutical company, we're more med tech, because the risks normally associated with new chemical entities we don't have, because all the drugs are proven in their various different indications. So we expect this year to start our phase 3 clinical program, which is the final stage of development for all 3 pain relief products. And we have finally in our sort of portfolio a treatment for erectile dysfunction, which uses the same active that's in the condom, but that is obviously for erectile dysfunction, and we expect that to go into a pivotal phase 2, phase 3 program, again starting later this year.
Wow, it's a busy year for you.
It's a very busy year for us.
Well, all the very best with it.
Thank you.
If you'd like any more information, please do visit the Edison website.